Hello everybody and welcome back to Caldera Creative Creation. My name is Roxana. I am so happy to be here. We got another easy to make Easter wreath going on. We are working with a beautiful 105-inch light blue, like turquoise ribbon. We also working with this floral 114-inch ribbon. We are working with some geraniums and some beautiful purples. We also got these lovelies. We also got an assortment of some eggs. I just put them on a kabula stick with other ones. You can buy them with them too. Okay, and we got this for wine kind of. And we also working with these beauties. I just love to work with these. And we got our 24-inch wreath, and let's get this started. Okie dokie. Put these to the side and let's get our ribbon. This is going to be a different one. We are working with the two rubber ribbons, making our two 12-inch loops. So with that said, let's get started. We're going to make a little 7-inch little tail. Then we're going to take these lovelies, put them together, and we are going to get 12-inch going on right here, and bam, look at that. One. Then we're going to get another one on this side. Ooh, where's the coloring? This side over here. Look at that. You can tell the size. I'm going to have it bopped up like that. Okay, now we are going to get this lovely right in here. This is a 24-inch wreath now, right here. You know, kind of push it all in. So I got these, my pinpoints. Okay, we got this now right here. There we go, look at that. Whoa, I think a little bit more needs to come out. Then pop it out, look at that. Wow, okay, we gotta go down here. Keep these together now, make sure it's on the right side. Okay, we gotta go down right here. Then we're gonna get this right here. We're gonna do one loop, everybody. One 24-inch loop right here. Bam, look at that. Give it a little bit of space right here. Puff these guys out. So I kind of made the other one a little bit bigger than the other one. Okay, let's get this one 12-inch loop. There we go. Have them flowing away. And get that in there. Look how easy it is to use with this wired wreath. Bam. Look at that. Wow. Okay, now we're going to come over this way and we're gonna make another one. Okay, we are gonna make two this time, everybody. We are gonna make two. Here, let's get some flowing. So flow these out so they could be just streaming away, you know. Look, push them out there. Right here. And then we're gonna make another two. I think we're gonna make two more. Yep. We got enough for two more. Two more loops. Ay, mama. Okay, we got the two loops. And bam, we got it right here. Okay. We got it right here. And whoop, there it is. Woo, look at that. How beautiful. Look at this. Open these up and voila, look at. Ooh, just the colorings are just so beautiful. The light blue. Let's get this on, mama. Okay. Then we are going to just put these for vines in here. What do you call these? Ivories. Get some of these out. Let me see. Just get pieces of these and put them in there like that, and let's just work our way around here. I think I'm gonna get this guy up here. There we go, look at that. Now we're gonna get some more up here. Wow, look at, let's attach those and bye-bye. Woo! I am so excited to show you guys this ribbon. I mean, this wreath Easter. I know this last Easter, I don't know about how I had them, but this year is a new year. And I got a lot of exciting ideas coming out for y'all. Yes, indeed. And if you guys like and enjoy my videos, consider pressing the subscribe button, and you will be helping out my channel grow a lot. You also will be notified of my upcoming videos. Yes, indeed. I try to get them out. I'm a busy single parent, you know, but hey, I got time for you all. Okay, we got that there. Now what I'm going to do is we are going to get some florals in here. Let's get these beautiful geraniums, which I purchased at Joann's. I love that store. To just get these in here like this. Let me see. Where does it need more greenery than more? I love the greenery on here and the realistic, like, look at there. Look at that. So bend them around and put them the way you want. These all going the way they should, you know. There, look at that. Okay. Get more going over here. Just, oh, I gotta step back and let's visualize what we're working with. Okay, yeah, so we could see what we need and what don't need going on. There we go. Wow, everybody, how's this looking? Thumbs up for you. Leave a comment. There we go. Woo. Ay, ay, ay. It's so beautiful. Like I am so happy to be here with you guys all the time. I really am. It just makes my day. Woo, look at that. Okay. Now, let's get this one here. We got one more of these big ones. Okay, this is going to be the bold statement over here again, so I think we're going to pop one in right there. Let's get this going. I think we're going to, oops, we got a little coming out right there. Bam. I think we're going to get this guy right here. There. Okay, we're going to get these beautiful purples. And we're going to get one here. Bam. Look at that. Look at it. Just use your imagination and creativity, and you will come up with a beauty. Look at just a couple of these and what we got going, everybody. Yes, indeed. Look at that. And let's get some of these geraniums up in here, the leaves. It looks so springy. Okay, now we can't forget about our box of these ones. Watch how a difference with this. These, I love to work with these little berry ones. I got these at Joann's. Buy a bundle and you could come out with so many. Look here, I use them a lot in my wreaths. They just make the, just come out. I mean, look at right here, watch. Yeah, look at, woo. Okay, what else, where else? Right here, look at that. Okay, right here, we need some in here. Look at that, beautiful. Let's just balance our items out and time to step back and visualize so you know what you're working with and where you need to put some. Yes, indeed. Look at that. Wow, so beautiful. Okay, I think we're going to get one in here. Now, let me see. Uh-oh. Let's see the white ones right here. Trying to turn them down. You can see that beautiful electrifying light of the berries coming out. Look at that. I think we're a little too much right there. There we go. Get some more right here. Woo. So one more right in here. And we are going to get down on our beautiful eggs. We got a variety of these eggs. You can buy them in the batch or buy some and just get your caboodle and bam. We're going to put the purple in here. Look at that, everybody. I like that. The crispy leaves. Look at that. How beautiful and easy this is. Look what we got going today, everybody. Wow. I think I'm going to move this one here. Get this guy up here and look at that. The big egg. We got these little ones going on. Let's mix those around with these other ones. Look at that. Let's go wild with our eggs, huh? Wow, with our eggs. Ay, 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 ay. My son. How's everybody doing today? Let's get that beautiful smile out, and everybody just have a wonderful, great day. I appreciate, like always, your guys' comments and viewing and liking my channel. Yes, indeed. I appreciate you all very much. Y'all make me happy just to be here, and I love being here and showing you all these beautiful wreaths. Let's just get our creativity on, and let's just all have a beautiful day, okay? Once again, we got all these going on. Some more of this little purple. I mean, pink. Pink, look at that. Wow. Look at it. It's just a couple of different colors, and, this brightens it up. And I think we got that, everybody. Look at what we made today. Another one. Another beautiful one, everybody. Look at that. Okay. Ooh. Let me turn this around and show you all what we made today. Ooh. Okay. Here we go. Get over there. Ooh. Once again, thanks for coming to my channel, everybody. Yes, indeed. We still got a lot more beauties coming out for Easter. Like I said, this is our Easter time going on this year, and I am going to get a bunch of beauties going out for you all. With that said, hope you like it, like and share, and just be creative and have fun. Enjoy making your wreath. Till the next video, like I said, we got a lot more beautiful Easter, easy to make ones going on. With that said, thank you and have a great, wonderful day. See ya. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful. Let me see all the different colors and textures, and you come out with a beautiful Easter. Ooh, look at that beauty on their door. Thank you.